My dear viewers, so today I'm here at Nashama Town Square, and in this video I will cover 2 bedroom apartment at Park Views and a 4 bed townhouse. So let me show you quickly how the 2 bed apartment would look like. Before I move on, I should show you the reception and the podium level. Podium level is actually having all the amenities. Amenities includes your play area, your swimming pool, and gym. And actually this is Park Views. So Park Views, what I will do is I will show you only 2 bedroom apartment today. And there are some great layouts, great quality, great finishing in this Park Views. And you can see the play area, it's huge. This is actually a set of 4 buildings. Park Views 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the first swimming pool, which is right in front of me. It is just in front of this central park which they have at Nashama Town Square. This is the first swimming pool I have shown to you. Now you can see Park Views Tower. It looks amazing from outside, and I will of course show you from the inside as well. Now this is I'm actually proceeding towards the second swimming pool to show you there are 2 swimming pools and good size. This is the gym actually on my left side, and this is again the play area for the kids. Since right now I'm in this sunlight, it's too hot right now, you cannot see anyone. And of course some of the you can see the building is entirely ready and it's ready for handover. So this is the second swimming pool which is coming up right in front of me. Nashama, I would like to explain you about this developer. It has got Town Square as its flagship project, and it is known for its timely delivery and very good quality, of course. So it has this Town Square has a mix of apartments, townhouses. You can see the swimming pool, it's again a huge one. And in Town Square you have all the kind of retail areas, the swimming pool areas, your kids play areas, everything. Carrefour, Spinny supermarket. This is the inside of the 2 bedroom apartment. You can see the open kitchen on my left. This is the area for a refrigerator, and this is for cooking range. This is the living area. It is actually good in size, and the most beautiful part of this apartment, I liked it, is like it has got a very high ceilings. You can see the ceilings are too high, and the architecture is really amazing. You can see the finishings, you can see the quality. This unit is swimming pool view, uninterrupted, of course. Very nice quality, very nice finishing of this particular unit. Not only this unit, Park Views, I would say as a whole, because I have been to other units as well, and all are as good as this one. So I should proceed to the next 2 bedrooms. This is the first bedroom. I should stand near the glass and then I can show you how big the room is. You can see the ceiling height is too high. Very good. Actually it will keep the room very cool. This is the first bedroom, first washroom, sorry, and it has got a standing shower. So yeah, this is the standing shower it has got. This is the first washroom for this first bedroom. This is the laundry area. They have managed to use the space very well, I would say it. And this is the master bedroom. So every room has got a view of the pool. You can see these heights of the glasses also keeps the room very bright. You have the closets, you have the double sink washroom with bathtub. You can see in the previous washroom it was standing shower, so both the options are there combined in the uh, same apartment. Now what I would do is I would show you two different layouts of the same two bedroom apartment, and you can see the sizes mentioned over here as well as the layout. It is amazing layout. Again, it has got a swimming pool view. This is the second layout, again of the park views only, the two bedroom apartment. The sizes are little different and layout is little different. Now I would show you the four bedroom townhouse, and only consider this townhouse as a kind of a quality purpose as well as for the layout reference, that okay how the layout would be for the four bedroom townhouse. So you can see the living area, plus you have kind of open kitchen. Actually, some of my clients, what they do is they turn this open kitchen into the semi-closed or closed. Of course, when you buy this property, you can do some internal changes. So this is the unit. You can see the backyard. If actually this unit is particularly in the middle, so it's back to back. We actually provide the options of corner unit, we actually provide the single row unit. This is the first bedroom. It is on the ground floor. Some of my clients, they use this first bedroom as the study room as well. It has got a decent size, good size, and sliding door. Of course, the space has to be managed. They have utilized the space very well. I would show you how. You can see this is a kind of small storage area, and it comes with a door, so it will not be open in front of your guests or someone. So this is the guest washroom. Actually, it is a full washroom. I should say it is a full washroom because the one bed is one at downstairs. That's why they have provided the full washroom. Now this is the laundry over here, and now this is the maid's room. So maid's room automatically comes with a washroom as well attached with it. Now I will go upstairs where all the next three bedrooms are there. Yeah. So on my left, this is the master bed. So you can see the size of this master bed. Very nice, and it has got a lot of storage spaces over here. It has got access to a small balcony on my left here. This is a small balcony. Actually, according to the size, it is not small according to me. So this is a dressing table kind of thing, and on my right, this is the washroom with bathtub. Since this unit doesn't have the lights, so you will feel that okay fine, this is no light, this is little dark, but it is not actually. And this is the third bedroom. And this is the fourth bedroom. So every bedroom has the storage space as well as good size of bedroom is there. Now these two bedrooms are going to be shared with only one washroom. This is the washroom which will be shared by these two bedrooms. So it has got a standing shower. So you can give your reviews, what you like the most, the two bedroom apartment or this 4-bed townhouse. Of course, the quality and the delivery is, as mentioned by Nashama, is a very well known. And you can see the layout. Just keep this townhouse as a reference purpose for the layout. Of course, this is also available for sale. I'm not asking you to that okay fine, it is not available for sale. This is also available for sale. So this was the townhouse 4-bed. I would show you the community from outside, how the community also looks like. So I should proceed towards the community. Yeah, so this is the community, very nice community. You can see neat and clean, well maintained. You can see the trees lined up, greenery. We have well maintained grasses everywhere. Give me your reviews. I will be waiting for your reviews for both the properties, and give me a call or WhatsApp. I will reply to you. Thank you.